Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be reviewing, unboxing and showing you guys how to set up the 8bitdo wireless USB adapter. So I will be showing you how to set it up with the Nintendo Switch in this video, but this does actually work for Windows, Mac OS and Raspberry Pi. So yeah, basically what this is an adapter that lets you connect a wide range of Bluetooth controllers to your Nintendo Switch. So if you turn it around and let's have a look at the back, as you guys can see here, it supports all controllers made by this company. It supports arcade sticks, PS3, PS4, Xbox One and Xbox One S, Wii remotes, Wii U Pro controllers and Nintendo Switch controllers. So yeah, this does really support a really wide range of controllers. I will be using the original Wii controller and the PlayStation 4 controller in this video. And yeah, it supports all those operating systems as well, and it is very simple to set up. I will be showing you guys how to do that anyway. So let's just open it right now. It kind of looks like the bricks of like Mario Bros. I think that's probably the theme they went for, I'm not too sure. But yeah, very simple. It's just like it's like a USB stick really. Let me just show you. It's on the back here. It also has a sticker with the instructions on. So yeah, very simple. That is literally all the instructions. I'll be showing you how to do it anyway. I'm pretty sure you can just take this off. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. It does look like the bricks of Mario Bros. And it's actually like a USB drive, so you can take the top off and then it's like a USB. So this is where you'd plug into a power bank or maybe your Nintendo Switch. I'm going to plug mine into my Switch. And then it also has this button. Now this is the button you will press to get it to pair with the controllers. Also guys, this was sent to me by a company called TomTom. They sell loads of electronics and stuff for Nintendo Switches. So I will leave a link to this in the description. And there's also a coupon code, I believe it's for $4 off. That will be in the description of this video as well. So if you guys want to buy one, you can get some money off. Also guys, I will also leave a manual to this in the description. There's a really good manual for it which shows you the settings on how to pair pretty much every controller right to the 8bitdo controllers that they make. So yeah, and that includes Xbox One as well. So I'll leave the manual in the description as well. But anyway, let me show you how to pair this with the PS4 and Wii controller. So over on your Nintendo Switch, keep in mind guys, this doesn't require custom firmware either. Obviously most of my videos do, but this actually doesn't. So we want to go and open up the system settings. Now in the system settings, we want to scroll all the way down and we are looking for controllers and sensors. Now in controllers and sensors, we want to turn this option on. Now it's fine to turn this on, we don't have to turn airplane mode off or anything like that. Just press A on it. Then press A on OK, and now this is connected. So now we can start setting up the wireless adapter. So right here I've just got a USB Type-C to USB adapter, and this is what I will be using just to connect it to my Nintendo Switch. So I can just plug it in here, and then just plug it into my Switch. So let's take a look at it with the PS4 controller. So with your PS4 controller, you first just want to tap the button on this. And now that will start flashing. Get your PS4 controller, hold the share button, hold the PS button, and just wait. So it's going to vibrate, and then you can see the Pro controller will be connected, or the PS4 controller will be registered as a Pro controller. Now the buttons pretty much correspond with the buttons on here, so it's X for B to go back, and it would be circle to open. So yeah, you can play games. It works exactly the same as a Pro controller would, which is really cool. Let's just start up Pokemon Quest, just to prove this thing works. Now you guys can see that it works just fine with the PlayStation 4 controller. So I actually like the PS4 controller. The design of it is actually really nice. So definitely nice to play in some Nintendo Switch games with. So yeah, now I will probably show you guys setting up the original Wii remote. So if you guys want to disconnect something, you can simply just remove this from whatever it's being powered off. So now my PS4 controller has just powered itself off. Let's do exactly the same thing, but with one of the Nintendo Wii controllers. So let's just press the button. Now with the Wii controller, to set this one up, you just hold 1 and 2. And there you go, it's connected as player 1. Now apparently sometimes if you connect 2 controllers, they will both register as players 1, but they do actually work as player 1 and 2. It's just the LEDs don't quite set up correctly. But let me just prove this works right now. I can use the D-pad and I can scroll through the games and stuff like that. And I can launch stuff, so I'm pretty sure 2 is A. Let's just try it. Oh no, that makes sense. A was just A, so yeah. So yeah, you can play the games with this, and it's actually pretty cool. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. That is my review of the 8bitdo wireless adapter. Very cool and small piece of tech that lets you connect multiple different controllers to your Nintendo Switch wirelessly. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the links in the description if you guys wish to purchase one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.